Good day, everybody. Today we'll be looking at unit and dimension. Now we have basically four fundamentals type of dimension, which is the length, mass, time, electric current, temperature, luminous intensity, amounts of substance. Why the dimension form is length, mass is in what m, time is measured in t, current is in I, temperature is in psi, luminous intensity is in J, and amount of mole is in N. So we'll be doing the formula, the dimension for drive units. We start with area. We know area is simply what? Length times breadth. I know our length is in measured in meter, which is what? L times L, which is simply what? L square. We move to the second one, which is what? Volume. Our volume is what? Length times breadth times height, which is what? L times L times L, which is what? L cube. We move to what? Velocity. We know velocity is simply what? Displacement all over what? Time. And displacement is simply a distance which is measured in length, which is what? L all over T, which is what? L T minus 1. This thing coming up become minus 1. We move to what? Acceleration. Acceleration is simply what? Velocity all over time. And our velocity from here is what? L T minus 1 all over T. This T coming up become what? Final answer what? L T minus 2. So you get it. So we'll move to the next one, which is energy. If fast as possible, energy is what? mgh, which is mass, acceleration due to gravity, and the height. We know our mass, the dimension for mass is in m. So it's m, and these are acceleration, which is what? Lt minus 2 multiplied by h, which is what? Which is our length, multiplied by l. So final answer is what? M L square T minus 2. We'll move to the next, which is force. Force is simply what? Mass times what? Acceleration, right? I know our mass, dimension for mass is what? M. And our acceleration is what? Lt minus 2. Then we move to pressure. Pressure is simply what? Force all over what? Area. And our force is what? From here, our force is what? M L T minus 2 all over area, which is what? L square. L square is simply, now this L will cancel this L, so we're left with 1 L. Now that is L is power 1. L is power coming out become what? M L minus 1 T minus 2. So let's just continue. So now we're looking at work. We know work is simply what? Force times distance. I know that our force is what? M L T minus 2 multiplied by distance is in what? Length, right? Which is M L square T minus 2. Move to the next one, which is what? Power. The dimension of power is what? Work all over time. And our work, which is this, which is what? M L square T minus 2 all over time, which is T. The final answer is simply what? M L square T minus 3. This T is coming up to become minus. Then we'll move to the next, which is what? Density. I'm trying to make the video as fast as possible. So it's equals to what? Mass all over what? Volume. and our mass is what? M. Our volume is length times breadth times height, which is L cube. So it's simply what? ML minus 3. We also have something called momentum. We know momentum is simply mass times velocity, and our mass is M. Our velocity is what? LT minus 1. So it's simply just what? MLT minus 1. Then we have other things like, just to give an example, surface tension. Surface tension, we know is force all over what? Length. And earlier from our force is what? MLT minus 2 all over L. So L will cancel L. I left it what? Sorry. MT minus 2.